3D audio has become the new standard. We all agreed from the beginning that we wanted to make the film to be ready for the future.
I never do this mix with Atmos, and I feel to use the spatialization of the sound gonna be very helpful for the movie. And exactly for the thread and the scissor that is everywhere, on the right and on the left, I think it's gonna be amazing.
It allows us to create an immersive experience and transport the audience into the unique Tamina Valley. With all these clever scenes, we also had to find the perfect sound for the threads.
Because it's the story of a seamstress. Very quick, I have the idea of use some scissor things and thread sound because it's subliminal. People don't know if really scissor, but it's there. I feel that the sound is a very big part of the music.
When I heard his composition for the first time, I was stunned. Jacob inspired me, and that's how I found the right sound.
I know that I have to find the really right instrument. I'm pretty happy to find the musical saw because it's a very strange instrument. It's very funny because it's just a bow with a saw. But if you mix with other sound, it's gonna be a very strange sound, and I feel it fit perfectly with the movie.